Hi, I'm Michelle Plazik with Remax Realty Advantage.
And I'm Kim Malden with Remax Realty Advantage, and together we are Buy Sell Love San Antonio.
And today we are talking about how to add value to your home with just some simple DIY improvements.
Yes, things that you can do over the summer or during quarantine or whatever it is. Just a few little things that can make a difference.
I think a lot of people are doing that because every time I go to Home Depot or Lowe's during the pandemic, it is so crowded.
Right, you gotta wait to get in the store.
Yesterday I was in there and I saw probably 10 people in the painting line to talk to the desk. That's a lot of people are doing the DIY projects. And one of the things we wanted to say about that is if you have a question, you can call us.
Absolutely. We can help you maximize your results. Just give us a call. You can do either a phone tour with us, or if you want us to come over and check it out, we can do that too.
Because don't overspend for your house.
Right.
But sprucing it up, a couple of quick examples might be pressure wash your house. I have a pressure washer. If anybody wants to borrow it, just give me a call.
I'll take that. But yeah, make it nice and clean and shiny on the outside. And then little quick things you can do, like if you have one of those bathroom mirrors that's just the mirror slabbed onto the wall, you can get some trim to go around it and frame it out. Really nice quick update, and it does make a difference.
And if it's not framed, or if it already is framed, you could paint it a different color.
Absolutely.
Because it could be the focal point in your bathroom, which would be awesome.
So for more tips on this, head on over to our blog at Buy Sell Love San Antonio.